Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Jad Dennis, your Creole teacher. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can translate in an Asian Creole. So just watch this video guy at the end. I promise you, you will be able to learn a lot of things. So, bonsoir, étudiants mio qui j'en ai. Jodi an nan ti video sa, mwen pral montrou ki jan ou tradwi yon an kriol. Yon, ok? Yon a and an or translated by yon en Asian Creole. Jodi an nou pral pale de traduksyon de yon en anglais. Ki jan yon traduit en anglais? Yon traduit en anglais par a and an, ok? For example, guy, if you say a dog or is a article, okay, guy? A dog or translated by yon en créole. Yon dog is translated by chien, okay? A dog means yon chien, okay, guy? A car, yon machine. A cat, yon chat, okay? A monkey, yon macaque, okay? A pen, yon plume. An apple, yon ananas. An umbrella, yon parapluie. Okay, guys? This is the way that you can translate yon in English. Okay, guys? When you say a and an, they are the articles. Okay, guys? This is the translation of yon in Asian Creole. I think that you enjoyed the course. If you would like to see more examples, don't forget, guys, to subscribe with my channel and leave a comment. I promise you, I will be able to post a lot videos on it for you guys to improve your Haitian Creole. Thanks for being watching me, guys. Thanks a lot.